Okay, boys, come. There is a pay bill. There is this side. This side. No, no, no. This side is a pay bill. Come. What happened, Arish? What happened? Your legs are tired. Now hold my hand. Let's go. Good boy. Hold my hand. What? What you see?
I just see a sprinkler. It's hiding somewhere.
Okay. This one is fine. Let's go.
No,
Like this.
I want like my favorite.
Okay.
No,
Let's go to my friend Ikra home.
is it nearest?
Yeah, nearest.
No, I want to go my home.
What? Ikra home.
No,
Arish, what you say?
I'm a home. No, you're Ikra home.
Ikra home. My friend Ikra home. Okay.
Not chocolate.
What you want?
I don't want it chocolate.
Okay, come. Right, better come. What you want, chocolate?
Water.
Okay, we will drink at home. Let's go to buy your chocolate. Come. Arish, not this one, bete. No, you have to buy your jelly now. You tell to mommy you buy jelly.
I want to open it.
No, don't open it. First pay the bill. Come, leave it. Let's go. Chocolate, bete. Take it one. Okay, now let's go. Yeah, take it.
Which one?
This one.
It's the
No. Alright, you are taking or not?
No, but all.
Okay, left. Okay. इसको देखो. Okay, Arish, this side, bete, this side. Arish, come this way.
No, here, follow.
No, there is nothing.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले
Please. I find good.
This is not a good thing.
This one and this one popcorn.
Hmm?
And this. Let's go to baby.
Yeah, let's go to pay bill. Now then we eat our things. First pay bill, then we can eat our things. This side pay bill. Come, follow me. Yeah,
Mommy.
yeah, follow mommy. Right, come. Okay, Arish, come. Anybody want to eat popcorn?
No.
No?
Water.
Come, boy. Arish, come. I think we leave this one. Okay, boys, come. There is a pay bill. There is this side. This side. No. This side is a pay bill. Come. Arish, no. Come. No. Let's pay bill. Come. Good boy. I am going to bring bread, okay? यार ब्रेड किधर है? बच्चों को उधर खड़ा कर रही हूँ मैं. ब्रेड ही नहीं नजर आ रही कहीं पर. इधर तो नहीं. यार ब्रेड नहीं ये पड़ी हुई कि इधर इतनी महंगी ब्रेड लगी हुई है. दूसरी ब्रेड किधर है? हाँ ये सही लगी हुई है. ये वाली ले लेते हैं. एक बहुत होगी. शुक्र है आज मेरे बच्चों ने कम चीजें उठाई हैं. आई एम कमिंग. किधर गए? ओह यू आर वेटिंग हियर. लेट्स गो.
Are you sitting and waiting?
गुड बॉयज कम. लेट्स गो.
We were sitting together here.
Oh, sorry. Come here. This way. This is your cue. Come. उधर जेलीस की तरफ ना चला जाए. Come, put your things here. You want to eat chocolate right now? Okay. Arish, wear your things. We are going in the bus now. Wear your gloves and cap, everything. Arish, you know, because we have to wear gloves now, that's why gloves will be dirty. At home, okay, mera beta?
I want to eat it like now.
No. Let me close this here. Okay. Okay, there is a bill. So Arish, thing, come. Right, let's go. Arish.
the line now.
Okay, let's go. Come.
I want to eat the line now.
Okay.
Open it.
Okay, listen. Come here. Where your things? What happened, Arish? What happened? Your legs are tired. Now hold my hand. Let's go. Good boy. Hold my hand. What happened? Okay. Again. Okay, let's go. I'll help you, mera beta. Let's go. Did you give chocolate to bhai?
हाय हाय इतना सुकून
Okay, give him bite.
I want the normal one.
No, just take a bite like this. Good boy. शुक्र है आज तो मेरे बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे से चीज़ें ली हैं. दोनों ने डोनट ली हैं एक और एक चॉकलेट ली है. दोनों शेयर करेंगे. बड़े हो गए हैं, इसका मतलब समझने लग गए हैं. अल्लाह का शुक्र है. जिद भी नहीं करी. और आज तुम आरिश ने माशाल्लाह जेलिस भी नहीं उठाई. नहीं तो इतनी जेलिस गंद बला उठा लेते. मेरे प्यारे शहजादे हैं दो. मेरे पले पले गुद्दे हैं. गुद्दी जानी. एंड दिस इज अ गुद्दी जानी. एंड दिस इज अ गुड्डा जानू. इधर मोटू फटू बॉय. और मेरा छोटी सी बेबी है मेरी. आर यू कमिंग? Let's go. Hurry up. Come, boys.
Okay.
It's a green walking line. Come. Look, there is our bus stop. Did you see? There is our bus stop. Come. There is a 23. Yeah, this is our bus stop. Yeah. Okay, go check it out. 24 bus. How many minutes come? 24. No, there is another one different screen. It's a 5 minutes.
Who does 24?
Yeah, it's a 24.
No, this 24.
Yeah?
This 24.
Yeah.
Oh man, every one of these.
Okay.
224s.
Okay. In 20 minutes, we will reach. Your face, I clean it. ये देखो आरिश ने कैसे मारा हुआ है रायत को.
साले का खोपड़ी तोड़.
इतना लड़ते हैं कभी कभी. उसका नाक छीला हुआ है, उसका मुंह छीला हुआ है. आरिश बहुत डेंजरस बच्चा है. ऐसे करके मारता है. Janush, what you looking? Are you looking map?
Why? I'm checking the map.
Okay.
Oh, bus stop.
Okay, to our bus come.
Yeah. Coca-Cola.
It's the button.
I'm pressing.
Yeah, it's already done. Come.
I pressed it, but
Okay, let's go. This way. Be careful. Come. Okay, now wear your cap. इतनी हवा चल रही है. Let's go. Come boy. मैं लॉन्ड्री भी बुक कर लूं साथ ही.
और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो. वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए.
I am going for laundry booking, okay? लॉन्ड्री बुक कर लूं, नहीं तो कल आज हारिस ने वापस आ जाना और हारिस ने लड़ना है मेरे कपड़े नहीं धुले. 1 second. 1 मंडे की मिल रही है यार. फ्राइडे सैटरडे. आज सैटरडे फ्राइडे कोई भी नहीं है. ये जी एक पड़ी हुई है. शुक्र है घर पहुंच गए. आपसे मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. थैंक यू. चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.